Artificial intelligence is bound to progress further in coming years to become a commonplace. The technology has assisted computers to utilize copious amounts of data in decision-making processes, or enabled these machines to learn on their own. Technology giants such as Google, Apple, and Facebook are already investing their money, effort, and time towards integrating artificial intelligence. These companies have also taken initiatives to evangelize the mass about AI's capabilities and limitations. Soon, there will be no industry left where AI is not being used. Artificial intelligence will soon permeate areas of warfare, autonomous transportation, education, and space exploration, only to name a few. Let's glance through a list of possible and probable futuristic applications surrounding AI, which will sure make human lives much easier on Earth. Autonomous transportation. The complete transition to an AI-guided transport system will soon be a reality, as companies like Google, Uber, and General Motors are striving hard to establish themselves at the top of this market. From Google, to Uber, to General Motors, all want a piece of the fast-growing market for driverless vehicles. The algorithms designed to enable machines to learn from human inputs will be crucial in ensuring that these systems operate smoothly and efficiently. These vehicles can take the form of passenger cars, like the kind Uber runs now, or the one Google has been testing for years. But the quest isn't simply limited to the scope of passenger transportation. Otto, a startup working on driverless trucks, was recently acquired by Uber. With this, we are probably looking forward to major changes around the industry which deals with shipping products around the world. Education powered by AI. In future, AI-powered education systems will learn individuals' preferences, and by aggregating the data, these systems will be capable of accelerating education research and the development of new tools. The future of education will witness the utilization of intelligent tutors and other AI technologies to deliver personalized education at scale. The use of AI will widen educational access, making learning lifelong and retraining easier. Earlier predictions surrounding the technology suggested that in future, it will be possible to process individual student data, so that someone needing extra attention can be imparted, recognized, and helped. By 2030, you can expect the line between classroom and individual learning to almost fade away. Employment in the era of AI. Artificial intelligence is being proactively introduced and implemented across different sectors globally. The technology has already found its application and significance for different job roles, performing the same task humans do, with more precision and efficiency. The standout aspect lies in the fact that not only is the time taken to perform the job reduced, but AI also eliminates the chances of human error. The future will witness the technology replacing arduous human tasks, implicating into job opportunities across newer avenues. Furthermore, the extensive use of automation will help in lowering the cost of goods and services, thus reducing the cost of living to a certain extent. Healthcare. AI promises the capability to automate medical diagnostics by mining patient records and the scientific literature. This technology will allow doctors to focus primarily on dimensions of care, while utilizing their experience to guide the process. Personalized medicine will soon become a reality owing to the data obtained from patient records, wearables, mobile apps, and personal genome sequencing. However, full-fledged implementation of the technology across the healthcare landscape will take time, as regulation currently poses as a major challenge to the successful implementation. The FDA is finding a way to deal with the issue of balancing privacy and data access. Entertainment. The entertainment industry is expected to transform in a bit different manner. The use of AI will make the industry more interactive, personalized, engaging in the future. Proliferation in the use of sensors and hardware will witness virtual reality, haptics, and companion robots increasingly enter the home. Moreover, user would be able to interact with entertainment systems conversationally. The technology will enable media providers to personalize entertainment to unimaginable levels. The day is probably not far when you will be able to create your own entertainment channel leveraging the power of AI. Home and service robots. Within the next couple of decades, you will be able to witness the advent of AI machines, with the ability to deliver packages or clean the offices. The robots will make use of the cloud connection to share data for accelerated learning. Moreover, the use of low-cost 3D sensors will aid in speeding up the development of perpetual technology. Also, these machines will be able to better interact with humans, owing to progress in speech comprehension techniques. However, in the most foreseeable future, these robots are more likely to remain constrained with narrow commercial applications. The cost and complexity involved behind designing such systems makes it a challenging task to implement the perceptual algorithms into the robots. Low-resource communities. AI and predictive analytics techniques will facilitate government agencies in better allocation of limited resources by helping them forecast environmental hazards or building code violations. Responsible organization can make use of AI-based planning to distribute excess food from restaurants to food banks and shelters. However, these capabilities will take some time to reflect, as the investment in this arena is underfunded currently. But, once implemented properly, the technology will help in improving lives for the poorest. Predictive policing. Policing is yet another domain where the future of AI can have a major stake. Within a decade, cities will fully rely on AI technologies for detecting and predicting crime. Surveillance agencies will use the power of AI in automatically processing CCTV and drone footages, which in turn will help in easily and swiftly identifying anomalous behavior. Largest police departments have utilized predictive policing software to forecast the probable places where crime might occur or to identify probable victims. However, fears surround around discrimination based on the idea of biased data. These fears have resulted in police and communities currently having limited capacity to assess such complex systems. Space exploration with AI. Artificial intelligence is not a new technology for NASA, as the International Body for Space has already utilized unmanned shuttles, rovers and probes to explore distant galaxies, which could have otherwise taken several years. These AI-powered vehicles can identify obstacles, like craters, and find safe paths of travel around them. For future, AI can be instrumental in times of emergency, as the technology can help astronauts identify and prevent problems before they occur. Data and photographs collected from the Martian surface were earlier furnished by autonomous land rovers, reflecting on the scope of utilizing AI for space exploration. Weaponry in the world of AI. Artificial intelligence enters the battlefield, as significant research is being undertaken to develop weapons capable of targeting and firing on their own. The use of artificial intelligence for this purpose is a controversial topic, as the consensus dictates that humans have ultimate control over any kind of weaponry. Some technology leaders have gone to the extent of calling an outright ban on the production or use of autonomous weapons lacking human control. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button, also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.